Hello everyone, welcome to Requirement Gathering Series Part 1. Imagine you are an architect and a client walks into your office saying, I want a building that's impressive. Do they want a skyscraper made of glass and steel or a cozy cottage by the lake? Without specifics, you might design something totally different from what they envisioned. So, in the world of software development, this happens more often than you would think. Clients sometimes approach developers with grand ideas but little detail, assuming that crafting high quality software is quick and straightforward. They might believe that coding is like waving a magic wand, the perfect application appears immediately. But just like constructing a building, developing robust and reliable software requires a solid foundation. This is where software requirements come into play. So, what are software requirements? Software requirements are detailed descriptions of what a software product should do and how it should perform. Think of them as blueprint for your software project. They capture all the client's desires, needs, and constraints in a clear written form. These requirements serve several crucial purposes, that is, setting clear expectations. By outlining exactly what the software should accomplish, both the client and developer know what to expect. This minimizes misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. Avoid future conflicts. Remember our architect scenario. Without a detailed plan, the client might later insist they asked for something else. Documented requirements provide a point of reference to prevent or resolve disputes. Guiding the development process. Clear requirements help developers plan the project effectively, allocate resources, and set realistic timelines. Why are they so important? Imagine spending months building a complex app only for the client to say, actually, I wanted it to work offline too. Adding this feature after the fact could disrupt the entire project, leading to delays and increased costs. Later late changes or additions to requirements can complicate the design, disrupt the project schedule, increase costs for both the developer and the client. By establishing detailed requirements before the project begins, you can avoid these pitfalls. So, making requirements effective. To be truly useful, software requirements should be specific. Clearly define what is needed. Instead of saying the app should be user friendly, specify the app should have a drag and drop interface. Unambiguous. Use language that leaves no room for multiple interpretations. Avoid vague terms like fast or responsive without quantifying them. Measurable. Whenever possible, include criteria that can be tested, such as load times must be under 2 seconds. This kind of measurable things. So let's conclude this part 1. Software requirements are more than just paperwork, they are the foundation of a successful software project. They ensure that everyone involved shares the same vision and expectations. By taking the time to capture, record, and agree upon these requirements early on, you set the stage for a smoother development process and a final product that meets or exceeds the client's needs. So, the next time you're starting a software project, remember clear requirements today prevent headaches tomorrow. It's like having a roadmap on a road trip. You wouldn't want to get lost halfway to your destination. Let's meet again with another part about requirement gatherings.